Think beetroot is the real star of the show? Think again. Beetroot leaves, often discarded, are the unsung superfood packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Curious to know how? Stick around, because today we're uncovering 8 powerful benefits of eating beetroot leaves that will blow your mind. Welcome back to Envelush. If you love learning about underrated health hacks and natural superfoods, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we'll explore why beetroot leaves deserve a spot on your plate. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on health tips and tricks to keep you glowing from the inside out. And here's a fun challenge. Drop a comment and tell me if you've ever tried beetroot leaves or if you usually toss them away. Let's start a health revolution right here in the comments section. What makes beetroot leaves a superfood? Most people think of beetroot leaves as a waste product, but they're actually brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a perfect addition to a healthy diet. So let's get straight into the 8 incredible benefits of adding beetroot leaves to your meals. 1. Boosts immunity naturally. Beetroot leaves are a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is essential for strengthening your immune system. Consuming them regularly can help your body fight off infections, colds, and the flu. And here's a bonus. The antioxidants in beet leaves protect your cells from free radical damage, giving your immune system an extra layer of defense. 2. Enhances digestive health. If you struggle with digestion, beetroot leaves can be your best friend. They're high in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation. Fiber also nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, improving overall gut health. A happy gut equals a happy body. 3. Improves bone strength. Did you know beetroot leaves are packed with calcium and vitamin K? Both nutrients are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regularly consuming beet leaves can help prevent bone-related issues like osteoporosis, especially as you age. So, the next time you're looking for a natural way to strengthen your bones, think beetroot leaves. 4. Supports heart health. Beetroot leaves are rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 key minerals that help regulate blood pressure. Potassium counteracts the effects of sodium, keeping your blood pressure in check. Plus, the nitrates in beet greens improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases like stroke and hypertension. Are these benefits surprising you so far? If yes, hit that like button to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to Envelush. We have plenty more natural health tips and secrets coming your way. 5. Detoxifies your body. Beetroot leaves are a natural detoxifier. They're loaded with antioxidants and phytonutrients that help your liver eliminate toxins more efficiently. A healthy liver means better digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy levels. So, if you're looking for a gentle and natural detox, beetroot leaves are a great choice. 6. Enhances skin health. The vitamin A and antioxidants in beetroot leaves work wonders for your skin. They help reduce inflammation, prevent acne, and promote cell regeneration for a natural glow. Adding beet leaves to your diet can also help combat signs of aging, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. 7. Aids in weight management. Trying to shed a few pounds? Beetroot leaves are low in calories, but high in nutrients and fiber, making them an excellent addition to weight loss diets. They keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. 8. Boosts energy levels. Finally, beetroot leaves are a natural energy booster. The iron in beet greens helps improve oxygen flow in your blood, keeping you energized throughout the day. This makes them a perfect pre- or post-workout food for those with an active lifestyle. How to incorporate beetroot leaves into your diet. Wondering how to make these super leaves a part of your daily meals? Here are a few ideas. Add them to smoothies for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil as a quick side dish. Toss them into soups, stews, or salads for an extra dose of nutrition. Use them as a wrap instead of tortillas for a healthy snack option. And there you have it, 8 incredible health benefits of eating beetroot leaves. From boosting your immunity to enhancing your skin health, these humble greens are truly a nutritional powerhouse. So, the next time you buy beets, don't toss the leaves. Use them to supercharge your meals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment telling us which benefits surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Envelish for more exciting health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and radiant.